Hi! Today we're taking you to explore Quinta de Boa Vista. It's a municipal park located in the imperial neighborhood of São Cristóvão, in the central area of Rio de Janeiro. Welcome to the fascinating Quinta de Boa Vista, a must-visit place situated in the heart of Rio de Janeiro. In this 360 degrees narration, we'll take you on a journey full of discoveries and share the stories behind the intriguing highlights of this enchanting park. Get ready to be amazed and feel the urge to explore every detail of this incredible place. As we move through the 360 degrees images, we are greeted by lush vegetation, with abundant and colorful trees. Quinta de Boa Vista is a true urban oasis, offering a refreshing break from the city hustle and bustle. The tranquil and relaxing atmosphere invites moments of peace and contemplation. In the front, we have the statue of Dom Pedro II, who was the second and last emperor of Brazil between 1840 and 1889. Here, you can also see the statue of Empress Maria Leopoldina holding her two children. She was the wife of the first emperor of Brazil. Along the way, we can catch sight of the imposing São Cristóvão Palace, once the residence of the Portuguese royal family. Currently, it houses the National Museum, which used to preserve treasures of Brazilian history and culture. On the night of September 2, 2018, a large-scale fire devastated the headquarters of the National Museum, destroying almost the entirety of the exhibited collection, an immeasurable and incalculable loss to the historical and cultural heritage not only of the country but of the world. In 2019, the National Museum had a budget of approximately $17 million available for the restoration of the collection and infrastructure. On September 2, 2022, the National Museum reopened the facade and the terrace garden. To commemorate the 200 years of Brazil's independence, some exhibitions were also opened in different areas of the museum. Continuing the 360 degrees tour through the park, we must mention the well-maintained gardens that further enhance its beauty. Stroll along the tree-lined paths and appreciate the diversity of flowers and plants while soaking in the pleasant atmosphere. Quinta de Boa Vista is the perfect place for a family picnic, a rejuvenating walk, or even a peaceful moment of reading under the shade of a tree. Do you see that elevated spot? That's an artwork paying homage to the Chinese influence in the city. From up there, you'll have a spectacular view of the park. If you'd like a 360 degrees photo of this place, leave a comment, and we'll send it to you as a gift. As we move forward, we arrive at the lakes area, where nature and wildlife converge. The lakes of Quinta de Boa Vista are inhabited by ducks and waterfowl, gracefully swimming in the calm waters. Take the opportunity to relax by the lake, feed the ducks, and enjoy the serenity of this natural environment. And let's not forget the recreational activities available in the park. Take part in a game of soccer or volleyball in the designated sports areas, or go for a run or bike ride along the trails that cut through the greenery. The park invites you to engage in outdoor activities and enjoy leisure moments with friends and family. And look at what we witnessed and brought to you, an acrobatics performance.
Let's go! Antes a gente vai visitar a parte. Pula lá, primeira vez, igreja. Valeu! Depois você vai tudo.
Quinta de Boa Vista is a true gem of Rio de Janeiro, offering a unique combination of nature, history, and leisure. It's a place where you can learn about Brazilian culture, relax amidst lush nature, and create unforgettable memories. Come and explore this urban paradise and discover for yourself all the wonders that Quinta de Boa Vista has to offer. Don't miss the opportunity to visit this charming place that will certainly leave a lasting mark in your memory. Did you enjoy this video? Then give us some encouragement to keep providing this content for you by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with others. And if you're not subscribed yet, this is your chance. Activate the notifications to be notified of our next video, released every Friday. See you next week. Goodbye.